scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Figure questions get people fast, but this one is super quick if you compare the algae counts carefully and turn that change into a percent. Based on figure 1, the low carbon dioxide condition shows about 2.3 algal cells, while the high carbon dioxide condition shows about 1.0, so we are clearly looking at a drop. Now compute percent change using change divided by original. 1.0 minus 2.3 gives negative 1.3, and negative 1.3 divided by 2.3 is about negative 0.565, or negative 56.5%. That negative sign matters because the algae count went down, not up. So the best match is a 56.5% decrease, which is option C. Well done, option C. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given values and check steps so decreases do not get mistaken for increases.